Hello, good morning, my dear students. This is Terusa, your English teacher. So, welcome to the online classes of Sri Eknath Rao Kharsi Talent English Medium School, Muktanagar. So, dear students, today we are going to learn an interesting chapter. That is, which is came from the answer textbook Marigold English, and today we are going to discuss Unit 5 poem part. That is, the poem name is Jew Manners. So, why the title is given in such a way that that is Jew manner? So, what is that? It's here main important points. You have to follow some rule and regulations when we are going to the Jew, right? So, in this way, we have to maintain some certain rules whenever we are visiting to any Jew. So, this poem is going to indicate the things to us, that what we have to do and what type of rules we have to follow and what we have to do and what we have not to. These all the things is given for us properly and clearly. So, I hope you understand better. So, without late, we will start the poems. Okay. So, right, the poem name I have already told you, that Jew manner. So, poem means we have to enjoy the poem. Got it? So, when you enjoy the poems, when you sing the poems, when you involve your character and you recite the poems, you understand the poems. After understanding, when you reciting the poem, you will get the more fun and entertainment by the poems, and you will enjoy a lot, right? And that also is very important, that is lyrics, isn't it? So, I am just reciting the poems. Just listen carefully and you also recite like me. Listen. Be careful what you say or do when you visit the animal at the Jew. Don't make fun of the camel's hump. He is very proud of his novel's bump. Don't laugh too much at the chimpanzee. He thinks he is as wise as you or me. And the penguin starting around the lake can understand remarks you make. Treat them as well as they do you, and you will always be welcome at the Jew. So, dear students, this is the poems, very interesting poems. Once again, I am repeating the poems. Listen carefully. The same way you also recite the poem and you also enjoy the poem, right? Be careful what you say or do when you visit the animals at the Jew. Don't make fun of the camel's hump. He is very proud of his novel bump. Don't laugh too much at the chimpanzee. He thinks he is as wise as you or me. And the penguins strutting around the lake can understand remarks you make. Treat them as well as they do you, and you will always be welcome at the Jew. So, this one first stanza given for you. Be careful means when you are going to any Jew, so you have to be careful that what you are going to do, right? When you visit the animals at the Jew. Don't make fun at the camel's hump. He is very proud of his novel bump. We should not whenever we are going to any Jew, we should not make fun upon the camel. We should not make fun upon the camels. Next, don't laugh too much of the chimpanzee. He thinks he is as wise as you or me. And second thing, whenever you see the chimpanzee, so you should not make which we should not love on them. We should not love very much on them. Why? Because they are also thinking that I am also a wise person. I mean, I am also wise, like you and me. Next given, and the penguins tracting around the lake. Can understand remark you make? Penguin is also moving all over the lake. He is very intelligent. That you have to make. Treat them as well as they do you, and we will always be welcome at the zoo. So, how generally how we are treating to the people, the same way you have to treat them, the same way we have to behave them. Then only they also be happy with you, and in this way you may always welcome. Who is saying? The poet saying to us that if you want to go any Jew, we have to be like this. You should not make fun on them. You should not love on them. Got it? And you should not do any mischievous work that can make problems to the animals. Okay? They are also thinking like us. How we are thinking, how we are living, how we are moving, the same way they are also thinking and moving and each and everything they are doing. That's why you should not treat mischievously. You should treat properly how a human being treat to the other human beings. Okay? So dear students, I hope you understand better these poems. And one more thing, try to recite the poem. I mean sing the poems. How much times you sing the poems, that much the English fluency will come, as well as the lyrics will come, as well as the entertainment fun also you can get as much. Okay? So dear students, read the poems properly, and I will send you the hard words and question answer each and everything. You will write that. So before that, you read the poems, sing the poems, and record the poems and send to my personal WhatsApp video. Okay? Personal WhatsApp number. Your video, audio or video, whatever may be, you send to me. I will listen your voice, and then how I can understand that how many members are able to sing the poems and how you are singing the poems. Got it? Okay, thank you. Bye.